Hello everyone, I welcome you all back to my YouTube channel with another interesting topic under organic chemistry. This is chemistry, so even as we get to discuss together this topic, I believe you are going to understand. So we are going to go through some practice questions together to prepare those that are going into examination room, be it the grade 12 or the GCEs. So we've got the first question here. The question is saying, give the general formula for this homologous series. In other words, whenever you see such a question, so we are talking about an homologous series here. In other words, all these compounds are coming from one specific formula. So all these are members of one family which falls under the homologous series. So they are telling you to give the general formula for this homologous series. What is the general formula for this homologous series? So what is the name of this homologous series? Before you give a formula, you need to know a name. So what is the name of this homologous series? The name of this homologous series is an alcohol. So what is the name? Alcohol. If you were told to write the name is what? Alcohol. This is the family to which this homologous series belong to. So how did I know that this is an alcohol? Whenever you just notice an hydroxide in it, there is OH, there is OH, there is OH. Whenever there is OH in a compound, just know that that is an alcohol. So this is an alcohol because there is what? OH here, OH, OH. But whenever there is, let's say you notice there is O, then H, just know that this is a what? A carboxylic acid. But in here there is only OH, meaning this is an alcohol. What is the general formula for alcohols? CnH2n plus 1, then OH. I hope everyone is able to see. So CnH2n plus 1 OH. So this is the what? This is the general formula for this homologous series. So this is what you need to know and understand. This is what you need to get and understand. Before we even progress to the other questions, we are going to discuss together some good questions under this. So before we even progress, what you need to understand is that maybe we are revising through. So I'm not only teaching you how to answer these specific questions, but this would give you an idea on how to answer another question which is related to this. So you know that, so we've answered the first part of this question, so I can lab this first part. Hope you've seen how I've answered, so I can lab this first part. So before we even continue, I would like you to know the formulas, the specific formulas. So this is C. Have you seen how many H? 1, 2, 3. C surrounded by 3 hydrogens like this. Then there is OH. Have you seen? Then this is what? C. How many C is 2? H. How many? Let's count apart from this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we've got a 5 there. Then OH like that. We go to this one. C. How many C's? These are carbons. 1, 2, 3. So 3, then H. Apart from this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. C, 7, OH. So this is the chemical formula. This is the structural formula. Even this one, this is the chemical formula. This is the structural formula. So I want you to understand these questions and get the concept behind this. In an exam, they may ask you to name this compound which is here. They are just telling you name, what is the name of this compound. So what is the name of this one? What is the name of this one? The name of this one, because there is one atom of what? Carbon. One atom of carbon. So one atom of carbon, we call that as what? Meth. Since it is an alcohol, we say methanol. So this is methanol. We are having two atoms of carbon. Since it is an alcohol, we call that as what? Ethanol. Because of two there atoms of carbon. This one 3, this is propanol. So propanol. These are the names. So this is what you need to get and understand. But when it comes to an acid, when an acid is having one carbon atom, that doesn't mean it is methanol. No. This only applies to whenever we are talking about alkenes, alkanes, and alcohols. So this is what you need to know. But when it goes to a carboxylic acid, we know that it is from an alcohol that we get to develop a carboxylic acid. When an alcohol reacts with the atmospheric oxygen under certain conditions, an alcohol can be changed to a carboxylic acid. So under that, don't apply this. But this can help you whenever you're talking about alcohols. When there is two carbons, just know that the name starts with ethanol. 3 carbons, just like that. So we proceed now to the question, our second question. What is our second question saying? We proceed to our second question. Write the functional group. We are told to write the functional group. How can we write the functional group for this one? What's the functional group for alcohol? The functional group. So I can lab this question. I hope you've seen. We are told to write the functional group. The functional group. How can you write the functional group? The functional group is like this. You know that they are ending with what? OH. So the functional group is this one. This is the functional group. You just write like that. You are done. Like this. OH. This is the what? This is the functional group. You are done just like that. So like this. This is a functional group. You know that this is what? An hydroxide. Have you seen? This is an hydroxide. This is a functional group. They end with what? OH, OH, OH. You are done with that. We move to the next question. Let us move to the next question. S. This is S. They are telling us that S is used as a fuel because it burns in oxygen. Write this equation. So this was the equation. You are told to write this equation. Where is S? Where is S? Where is S? Where is S? S is here. So let me lab this part. S is here. It is C2. So it is like this. This is the way it is. C2H5OH reacts with oxygen. Oxygen, you put a 2 there. You know that it exists as the atomic atom. To give what? To give what? It is giving us, you say, carbon dioxide plus water. Like this. This is what it is giving us. So meaning this one is burning in what? Oxygen. How do you balance this now? How do you get to balance this? So hope you know how to balance this. Hope you've understood the topic in chemistry called balancing chemical equation. If you haven't watched that video yet, you can still look for it on this same channel. It is going to guide you properly on how to balance this. So how do we balance this? You just check this part here. So let's just balance oxygen and hydrogen. Oxygen here, this side is what? 1, 2. So this is 3. This side it's having what? It's 2. How can we balance this? When I put a 3 here, see? So this is 3, this is 2. Have you seen? So this is a secret that I want to show you. This is a secret that I want to show you. Here we are saying this side is what? 3. This side it is 2. So just multiply these. So if you multiply these, let's multiply these. This is 6. You know that you need to put a 6 there. So we put a 6 there. After putting a 6 there, then we know that definitely we are going to put a 3 here. Have you seen like this? So if you put a 6 there, you know that it is not going to make sense this other side, because you're going to have 12, 13, which is abnormal. You lab this, then you maintain a 3 like this. So I'm giving you techniques on how to go about balancing, because we've got people that get to make mistakes. So this side, it's having how many? This side, you check. This side, it's how many? This is a 6 here. This plus this one, 7. Let's count this side. We count this side. What are we having this side? What are we having? So what do we do here? Carbon 2, carbon 2. So let's put a 2 here like that. Let's put a 2. So this is 4 plus 3, 7. Hydrogen 6. Rest hydrogen this side, it's giving us a 6. So what about this side? This is 5 plus this one, a 6. Balanced. Carbon 2. So this is balanced. Oxygen, how many here? 3 plus 4, 7. If we count this side, this is 6 plus 1, 7. Hydrogen, here there is 6. Even this side there is 6. Then this is what? This is balanced. We've balanced that. We move to the next question. We move to the next question, which happens to be our last question in this lesson. Then we are done. Which one has highest boiling point between these 3? So we go back to the question. Between these 3, which one has a highest boiling point? So which one is having the highest boiling point? How do we check that this one has got the highest boiling point? The number of chains. The one with the longest chain, that one has got the highest boiling point. So we check this one is just having 1 carbon, 2 carbon, 3 carbons. So which one do you think has got the highest boiling point? The one with a lot of carbons, because it has a lot of carbon chains. So it is this one, which is what? T. Then you are done. So your answer there is, you just put T. T as the highest boiling point, because it is having a lot of carbon chains. A lot of what? C chains, which are carbon chains. Then you are done. This is where we are going to end from. And if you are looking for tuitions in chemistry, physics, and mathematics under secondary school level, I do offer tuitions. I can help you. Contact me on this number. This is my number. You can contact me on this number. I'll be able to help you at an affordable fee. So this is my WhatsApp number. And if you are viewing this channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe. So this is +26 0971 066747. This is my number. We do offer online tuitions. Thank you so much. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to comment. And let me know where you are watching me from.